Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics using HC Verma's book. Begin by thoroughly understanding each chapter's theoretical concepts. Don't rush. Ensure you grasp the basics before moving on. After reading the theory, tackle the objective questions and short answer questions. These build your foundational understanding and prepare you for more complex problems. Next, focus on problem solving. Work through all the solved examples to see how concepts are applied. Then, move to the numerical problems in the exercises. Start with the easier ones and gradually progress to the more challenging questions. If you encounter a difficult problem, don't get discouraged. Revisit it after a break. To deepen your understanding, keep a dedicated notebook for important formulas, key concepts, and derivations. This acts as a quick reference. Discuss any challenging problems with friends or teachers. Different perspectives can be very helpful. Consistent practice is crucial for improving both your speed and accuracy in solving physics problems. Finally, regular review and self-assessment are vital. Make sure to revise previously studied chapters frequently to keep the information fresh in your mind. Take mock tests to evaluate your progress and pinpoint areas where you need more work. Analyzing your mistakes and addressing those conceptual gaps will significantly boost your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.